सबको नमस्ते। तो आज कबीर जी के कुछ शब्दों पे फिर से विचार करेंगे। कबीर जी कह रहे हैं, कस्तूरी कुंडल बसे मृग ढूंढे बन माही, ऐसे घट घट राम है दुनिया देखे नाही। तो कस्तूरी मृग की जो कथा है वो तो सबने सुनी ही है। हाउ दिस डियर, कस्तूरी डियर that we talk of, he keeps on looking out for where is this fragrance, and he keeps on searching outwardly and he never finds it, while it is coming from its own navel. It's there within him. So कबीर कह रहे हैं कि कस्तूरी कुंडल बसे मृग ढूंढे बन माही, ऐसे घट घट राम है दुनिया देखत नाही। तो हम तो जिस तरह से राम को ढूंढते हैं, हम तो ये कहते हैं कि कुछ करके राम मिलेंगे। तुम अभी बहुत मैले हो, जब तुम्हारी मैल साफ हो जाएगी तब तुम्हें राम मिलेंगे, तो मैल साफ करो। और ऐसे ही करते करते हम सदियां बीत जाती हैं, हमें ईयर्स पे ईयर्स हो जाते हैं, एक फिलॉसफी से दूसरी फिलॉसफी, एक थ्योरी से दूसरी थ्योरी, एक मास्टर से दूसरे मास्टर, एंड दिस आउटवर्ड सर्च as if it never ends. So what is it that is there with us, and yet we can go on and ever try to find it, and we never find it. This lack, this feeling of lack that most of us feel, virtually all of us, and we try to fill up that lack with philosophies, with theories, with concepts, with the identities about life, images, labels, definitions, people's relationships, and that lack never gets filled up. So can I challenge that? Can I say that was that lack even there? Am I just in a dream that is imagining this lack? Can I wake up from this dream? Because the very fact that I have been trying to fill up this lack that I feel, the incompletion that I feel for a long time, and it has never got filled up. Maybe I get temporary relief at times, but it comes back again. Maybe this is just a dream going on of a lack, and in the dream I am trying to fill up the lack. So can I just, instead of trying to fill up the lack in the dream, can I wake up from the dream of this lack? Maybe there was never nothing wrong with us. Can we wake up to the reality of our lives? Because what we are truly, what we are searching for outwardly, is forever, ever present right here. All the movements of life that are happening right now, without their prior labels, before the labels, before their identities, before their definitions, all the movements of life are happening in the very presence that I am. Maybe I never had to find anything. कस्तूरी कुंडल बसे मृग ढूंढे बन माही. And no wonder that he never finds it. No wonder that when looking out in the forest, the deer never finds the fragrance where it is the origin of fragrance. Because the deer itself is the very origin of fragrance. So going outwardly, searching for it, asking people about it, asking animals about it, looking in the bushes, how can one find it? When I myself am the origin of the fragrance and I was never lost, I was always there. So can we begin to trust ourselves more deeply? Trust our so-called ugly and beautiful movements, all of them in their wholeness. All of them are very, very intelligent. And then somehow this rest comes in the being. Somehow this seeking stops or dissolves. Something in future will reform me. And I am not enough the way I am. And that's why I must seek. What is this fullness that people talk of? So I must seek in theories and philosophies. I must seek. One can go about studying theories and philosophies. There is nothing wrong about doing anything. The thing that I want to challenge here today is that through Kabir's words only, written so many years ago, spoken so many years ago, that the seeking, that the very fact that I look in philosophies, theories, relationships, situations in life, something outwardly will fulfill me. I'm challenging that here. So can we wake up to the fact that we are always full, and in that fullness I can do whatever on earth I want to do? That the very fragrance that I seek, the very completion that I seek, that I am in this moment, in its own unique fullness. And then from that fullness, I can do anything that I want to do. I can study theories, philosophies, I can enter relationships, I can come out of relationships, I can enter jobs, come out of jobs, doesn't matter. ऐसे घट घट राम है दुनिया देखे नहीं. I am not able to see that nothing can complete me because maybe there is nothing to be completed. So can we wake up to the fact of our fullness? Can we wake up and own ourselves in this fullness that we are, of the movements of life, all the emotions, the thoughts, they were happening in the space that was the fullness of me, that they were happening in me. I was never lost. And that's why I never needed to be found out. Or maybe I needed to be found out, I don't know. So instead of dreaming another dream, so I am in a dream that I am in a lack. There is a lack, there is something I need to find. And I continue the dream. On top of it, I add another dream that there must be something that will fill up this lack, and that something never arrives. So instead of being in a dream, can I wake up to the reality of maybe there was no lack at all? That all the movements of life, all the so-called, uglinesses of life are present here for a reason. Can I go through them in their fullness? Can I allow them to be, to manifest their totality, their reality, and not go by the face values, always trying to shoo them away? Because I have read some theories and they say that this is all bad. Really? Can I know for myself? So I, who I truly am, my truest essence, was forever there. In that truest essence, everything was happening. Even the dream happened there only. So the dream was allowed. And now when I am feeling like waking up from a dream, can I wake up to the reality of my fullness, that nothing was ever lost, and begin from there, begin life from there. So again, as I say every time, this is just a layer that we touch upon through Kabir's words. It's not that we have touched on every aspect, yet this is a small offering, little offering of touching one layer of these two lines, what they want to speak. Yeah, thank you.